See if my little Ryobi will take these off. I got my paper towels. It smells like oven cleaner. Nope. And it's stuck. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, we're working on the front end of the Model T still. We got a little bit of wheel play here. Let me see if you can see it. I believe it's in the bearing. So we're gonna do that and tighten that bearing up. But first we got mail. We got a box sent to us with the request that we try out their product, which is super clean. They gave me a hat. I'm not really a hat person. I have exactly one of these, and if you want it, be the first person to put a comment down that says you want it. And if you can figure out how, send me an email. If you can't, put your email address in the comment, and I'll write you and I'll send it to you. They also sent me a shirt. It's kind of cool. I'm going to keep that. So that one's for me. Set this aside where it won't get dirty. Okay, we have 3 things in the box. I guess I looked at their website. They make a bunch of stuff. They make I'm really disappointed they didn't send me the kitty litter or I thought there was a rust one. Degreaser, foaming trigger, degreaser, cleaner, floor absorbent. I must have been mistaken because I thought there was a rust one, but they said they don't make a rust one, so I don't know what I was looking at. I guess you can get it in 300 gallons, 50 gallons, 5 gallons, 1 gallon quarts. So we got that. And then they sent me wheel cleaner, foams away grime, and brake dust. That's great for the modern vehicles, but as you can see on my car, it ain't got no brake. Second up, we're going to try this in a minute. Aerosol super clean tough cleaner degreaser. Don't click off. Don't click off yet. I'm going to use this stuff. I'm going to clean that hub. I'm going to start taking that wheel apart. This is is this the same stuff? Looks like it's the same stuff, but just this is aerosol and this is a squirt bottle. We do have greasy things here. Alright, let's try it. I got my paper towels. Okay, the reason I'm doing this is it looks like a commercial, but it's not a commercial. I am actually going to use this stuff. I'm going to try the spray bottle first, because why not? Okay, we're going to turn this to, we've got stream, off, and spray. I think we should try spray first. This is grease. Okay, if you can't tell, this is the grease that's supposed to be on the other side of that seal, and I want to get it off before we start playing with the bearing. Just make it nice and clean, you know. Easier on me, you get less crap on your hands. It's just better if it's cleaned off. And this is thick stuff. This is the green grease, the grease all I used to sell. That's sticky. There's my magnet for the bicycle speedometer right there. That doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to take that off, and you can hear, if I'm real quiet, you can hear the dynabeads inside the wheel. They work awesome. I think what I should probably do first is take the wheel off so this doesn't drip down into here. So let's do that. See if my little Ryobi will take these off. Nope. Give it one more try with a fresh battery. Ooh. Okay. Looks like I gotta buy some new batteries. Nope. And it's stuck. My socket is stuck. Good grief. I hate it when that happens. Nope, that one ain't gonna do it. How do I get that off? You live here now. Good grief. You can have one of those days. Alright, now we're in trouble. Sorry for the noise, but it is warm again. Nope. That ain't gonna work. What do I do? What do I do? Huh. I have a feeling I'm about to break a socket. Nope. Okay. Whew. All right. Now we're back in business. Okay. Let's get back at it. Or not. Maybe. A lot of spiders. So many spiders. Look at that little guy go. Hubcap's loose. Okay, now to get to the wheel bearings, we're going to go in here, but I want to clean it first. So the whole point of this video in the first place was to clean that. Let's see if the stuff works. Not working yet. There we go. I feel it in the air. Whew. That smells weird. Let's do the whole end here. Suppose we should read the directions. That smells a little bit like oven cleaner. Cover surface, allowing time to dissolve. Do not allow to dry. Rinse thoroughly and dry as needed. Yep. It smells like oven cleaner. I can't rinse it. We're inside. So I find a spray bottle. Put some water in it. There's my magnet. Well, it is. It's doing something. This part right here is coming out really clean. Look at that. It's like brand new. Well, you know, this stuff actually works. Not so much on this part here, but a little bit where I get down to paint. Let's try the other one. Let's try this one. Ooh. There we go. I think I like this one better. I'm going to put a link in the description for this if you want to buy some, which is the whole point of them sending it to me, so that you could buy some. I'll put a link in the description on where you can get it. I like the aerosol better, that's for sure. Oh, we got Brawny. We got the good towels today. By the way, that makes an excellent paper towel holder. This one smells like oven cleaner too. Must be the same stuff. We're out of the brownie. We're into the cheap towels now. Huh. It works. I am dragging my thumbnail in this a little bit to give it some pressure. That's not clean. That ain't clean yet. But this part, oh my god, what a difference. You see bare metal where the paint came off. There ain't no grease on that. Well, there's a little bit of, I glued these in a little bit apparently, the silicones. I can see bare metal on the seal. A little bit of residual that look at that. Look at the difference. I will say I'm pleasantly surprised. I didn't think it was going to work that well. Super clean. Okay, let's get to what we've all been waiting for. Or is this where I cut the camera and say go to the members only group? Ah. We gone this far, let's get it. Let's get it done. I know, I always put the camera on the left. And my left hand is always in the way. I'm just going gentle so I don't damage the cap. Okay, inside we have, as you'd expect, a nut. Safety wired with a cotter pin. Okay, so now we're going to take this off. Little washer. There's that bearing. Looks like a decent amount of grease that's popped out. It's got some miles on it. It's definitely got some miles on it. I can't get my tool in there. I need the one with the edge on it and I don't have it. So there's a flat spot right there. I'm just going to try and tighten that. Okay, still turn. Okay, now we've gone from here to here, so hopefully that's enough. It is absolutely backwards to everything that I think is right and proper. The theory was it wouldn't unscrew itself while you're driving. I don't know about that. Still turn. Okay. It's a little better. Throw another cotter pin in the garbage. That one. Let's try a short one this time. Maybe a short one would be better. Can't fall out. Definitely knocking things around. Come on. What is going on here? There we go. It was tilted. Caps loose. Let's just zap 2 of these. Play smart. Are you kidding me? That little bit of play is now in the kingpin. It's not enough for me to worry about. I ain't gonna worry about it. Have to dig under the seat and find the right tool for the job, because I know I have one in there. Stop rolling. And one more. Yeah, I can see it moving in the kingpin. Okay, we resolved our problem. Not that I think that was the problem. I don't know what the problem was. Something ain't right. But I think we're good with the bearing now. Alright. We'll test the wheel cleaner on a modern vehicle at some point. That's going to be it for today. Still haven't figured out what's causing this thing to float all over the road like that. But we'll get there. I crawled underneath, but the footage wasn't usable. You can't. I had it had the camera strapped to my head and you couldn't see anything. So I ain't putting it out. Okay. Well, thank you for watching and watching me test the super clean. Again, if you want the hat, put I want the hat in the comments, and the first one that says it will get it. I'll send it to you somehow, not sure how. Until then, keep watching and thank you.